Starting a YouTube channel can be extremely overwhelming, especially the uploading part. And honestly, I haven't really seen a lot of videos that go step by step in detail of how to do that. So in today's video, that's what we're gonna do. This video is gonna be packed with actionable tips that will take your uploads to the next level. So grab your phone or your laptop, open up your YouTube studios, and let's dive in. All right, so you filmed, you edited, and you created the whole video. Now it's time to upload it. So let me show you this quick step. When you log into your YouTube studios, you're gonna go to this section right here where it says create, upload video. Then from here, you can drag and drop the video of your choice or just select the files. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna select it. And then it'll start uploading. All right, now let's kick it off with one of the most important things, your title. You literally have a split second to grab someone's attention. So these are some tips to make your title irresistible. You should use power words like irresistible, insane, shocking, must watch. All those words create curiosity. So here's an example. You could say the ultimate guide to losing weight you didn't know you needed. And another thing is you need to capitalize certain words for emphasis. So how I lost 50 pounds in 2 months. Shocking results. Now people love specifics. So include numbers or time frames. Like 10 easy ways to boost your confidence in 7 days. Who doesn't want more confidence? Keep it short and sweet. Aim for 60 characters at most. Too long of a title, it does get cut off, especially on your phone. Now here's a bit of a pro tip. Before uploading, rename your video file to match the title. So for example, if we're going with the 10 easy ways to boost your confidence title, your file name is going to be 10 easy ways to boost your confidence. This helps with SEO and it actually gives YouTube a little bit more information on what your video is about. Next, let's talk thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the first thing people notice, even before your title. So here's how to make it scroll stopping. You need big, bold text and use maybe 3 to 5 words max. Something like best skincare hack. Contrasting colors like bright yellows, reds, or blues tend to perform well. Tools like Canva or Photoshop are your best friends when making thumbnails. I do have a quick video on how to make a thumbnail on Canva, so I'm going to attach that for you guys here. And you can go ahead and check that out after this video. Now you need high quality images. No blurry or low res pictures. You have to take a clear photo or freeze frame a clear shot from your video. Gotta say that fast. Now show emotion in your thumbnails. Your face should convey the mood of the video, whether it's excitement, surprise, or frustration, or something sad. But put that on your thumbnail. Now, a cool feature that YouTube Studio has now is that you can test your thumbnails. So if you create different thumbnails, you can go ahead and put it in YouTube Studio and YouTube will basically tell you which one they think will perform better. Let me show you real quick. If you have one, you can upload that file or you can auto-generate one with AI, or you can go ahead and hit the test and compare. You can upload up to 3 different thumbnails and this will let you see which thumbnail will perform the best. Next is your description. Now, don't sleep on the description box. It's not just for like fluff. It's where YouTube learns what your video is actually about. So my suggestion is the first 2 lines, write a compelling summary about your video. So for example, you can put, learn 7 surprising tips to go viral on YouTube and grow fast. Then you would need to sprinkle in some keywords that people will be searching. I suggest also adding links to your socials so people can follow you in other places too, or other related videos or affiliate links. But put a disclaimer on the bottom that some of these links are affiliate links, just to be on the safe side. Now, if you're struggling on what to think of to say in these descriptions, don't worry because it happens to me. My best friend is ChatGPT. It can definitely help you craft an SEO-friendly description. So for a prompt, you can put, please write me an engaging and SEO-driven description for a YouTube video titled 10 Easy Ways to Boost Your Confidence in 7 Days. Include keywords like confidence tips, self-improvement, and personal growth. Hit enter and then it'll come up with a nice description. If you really don't like it that much or you wanted to change something, you can just ask ChatGPT to change that for you. It's the best tool. I promise. Okay, let's talk about tags. While they're not as important as they used to be, they still matter so you can be found. Add tags that match your video topic, like YouTube growth tips or how to go viral. You can also include more specific ones like how to grow a small YouTube channel in 2025. Using tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ are definitely a help when it comes to finding these tags. All right, now playlists. Playlists are very underrated. They actually help keep viewers on your channel, and YouTube loves that. The best way to do this is to create niche playlists. So you need to group your videos by theme, like editing videos or all things YouTube tips. Also, enable the autoplay so when someone watches one video, it just takes them to the next so they can binge watch and give you more views. Now let's talk captions. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that over 85% of videos are watched on mute? Captions can literally make or break your video. You can enable the auto captions in YouTube Studio, then edit it for accuracy. Or while you're editing your own video, how I do mine is in CapCut, I just add my captions in there. Bonus tip, captions help with SEO. Okay, now this is one that I had a little bit of trouble with. Sharing my content. Growing your channel or potentially going viral isn't just about uploading. You have to promote it. Share your video on Instagram stories, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, wherever you can get eyes on your video. And use the platform-specific hashtags. You can partner with another creator for cross-promotion, and that will definitely bring new eyes to your content. Next, keep your viewers engaged. Retention is everything. The longer people watch your videos, the more YouTube will push out your content. Hook them fast. Your first 10 seconds need to be electric. Ask a question or give them a teaser of what's coming up. Your edits should be on point. You don't have to do a bunch of like fireworks here, rain flying here. I mean, crazy edits, not everyone knows how to do those. I honestly don't know how to do those yet, but keep your edits engaging. Use jump cuts, transitions, zoom in and out, add on-screen text, and keep your energy high and contagious that someone wants to sit and watch you. I know there's some edits for the younger crowds that they like all the extra effects, but there are other videos that are like how-to ones like this that you just want to sit and hear me talk and see step by step on what you need to do. So it all depends on your vibe. You don't have to go crazy. Just keep them engaged. Ask for engagement. Encourage likes, comments, subscribes, but don't be boring with it. Don't just say, like this video. Make them actually go into the comments and be like, drop a fire emoji if this tip really helped you out. Something cool and different like that. And at the end, use a clear call to action. You can say, watch my video on how to edit next, and then add the link to that video. Lastly, analyze and improve. No viral strategy is complete without checking your analytics. Monitor your retention graph, see where people drop off, and improve that section. You can also track your click-through rate. Aim for 5 or 10% CTR. That'll be good. Experiment and repeat. Test different formats, lengths of videos, and tones of your videos. And there you have it. Everything you need to make your YouTube video go viral this year. Now, which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. I cannot wait to see all of us grow this year. So keep creating, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, my loves.